Hi everybody, this is Christine from the Crafters Outpost. Today I just wanted to share with you how I took a calendar book. This one's a little smaller than the original one that I did, but I'm just giving you an example of a little calendar book that you can get at the dollar store. And even though this is really pretty, I just want to cover it, and then I made this out of that. So I'm just going to do a flip through and show you, and then when I make another one I will record and show you how I did it. Right now I just want to do a flip through to show you what you can do with these little books. Okay, so this was just embossed with my embossing machine of some just regular cardstock paper, and then of course I use washi tape along the edges, decorated it a little bit, and put some lace here. I hope you guys are seeing this okay. Okay, and just made some tags, did a little bit of stenciling. And then I made one of these little cards, which I thought turned out really cute. And I just decorated each one of the, well, not all the pages. So what I did is I took like, I don't know, a bunch of pages, and I just glued them together, and then that's how I got the thickness of the page, because I didn't want to individually do all these pages. So I just took a handful, stuck them together, and then I got this thickness that I like, and then I still made plenty of places to do some journaling in. And I just did washi tape and lace, and I glued the pages together, and then I stuck some of my tea-dyed papers on here, and just found little things that I had to decorate with, and I just kind of did each page with a different theme. I really didn't have any kind of thing in mind. It's just a random book with different designs. And so there, I mean, that's, I don't know how many pages I ended up with. Let me see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I left a couple pages in the end. So 10, 11 pages, which would be times 4, or is it times 2? Okay, I think times 4. Or either way, you get, 20 to 40 places to write your thoughts. And so that's really basically it. And I left these pages the way they came in the book, because at the end of the book it always has notes. And then I just covered all the rest of it up. But I really liked it. It turned out really nice. And it feels leathery because of how I had done this paper prior with my embossing machine, and just the texture of it. But yeah, this is what you can do with these little calendar books. And see how in the back, see how you have your notes. Well, there's only one page here, but you can do this with any calendars, and then just cover them with your own paper and glue the pages together and make it as many pages as you want. And there you have a little book, and make some tags to go in there. So I thought it turned out really cute, and I just wanted to share it. I will be making more in the future, so I will let you know if you subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you know whenever I put a video out. Okay guys, thanks for watching.